Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can quickly add multiple strokes to text or type in Photoshop. Now I'm using Photoshop CC, but you can do the same sort of thing in CS6, so PC or Mac. First thing to do, obviously I've just got some type which I've just created over here, and now I'm just going to go to Layer and Layer Style and Stroke. So it's the first step. So I've got a stroke there added, and it's just using the colour option. And I obviously can modify the size of the stroke, so you can make it obviously just a bit bigger. Click OK. Now I can also modify the fill as well. I'm just going to quickly do that because now I can reduce the fill opacity so you can actually just see the stroke itself. Okay. Click OK. So now Layer and Smart Objects, convert to Smart Object, and now I can actually add style or obviously stroke to that as well. So just going to go to Stroke, and then this time instead of actually a colour, I'm actually going to add a gradient. So I'm just going to add a gradient, and I've got some gradients here. These are Graphic Extras gradients, but of course you can use any gradients you can find on the web. There's a number of options. There's linear or shape burst. The shape burst is quite nice, so just around the edge, and you can modify the size, so just make it a bit bigger so you can actually see the various contour lines there. Click OK. Now to finish off, I can actually convert this again to a Smart Object, convert to Smart Object. Now I would say that it starts to becoming a bit coarse for the text. You can actually see the lumpiness as it goes around. It's not that smooth, but so Layer, Layer Style and Stroke again. And instead of colour or gradient, you can actually also add something like pattern. And I'm just going to go for a different pattern there, maybe that one. And again, you can modify the size of the pattern and the scale. So you can actually scale, and obviously just to see more of the actual design around the edge. Click OK. Right, once you've actually done that, that's it. You've got actual multiple strokes added to text and type in Photoshop. Hope you found this